to Professor Trimp Academy. Today we are going to solve more problems based on fractions. So this is the second video about fractions. If you want to watch the first video, the link is given in the description. Please go ahead. Now we will solve this question first. There is given a rectangular sheet of paper which is 12 is to 1 by 2 centimeter long and 10 is to 2 by 3 centimeter wide. That means length of paper is, we can write it as 12 is to 1 by 2. This is a mixed fraction or improper fraction. First we have to convert it into proper fraction, which can be converted like this. 12 into 2 is 24 plus 1, that means 25 upon 2. This is the length of the paper. Now breadth, we can say breadth of the paper is given, it is given is 10 is to 2 by 3. We again have to convert this mixed or improper fraction into proper one. So this is 10 into 3, that means 30 plus 2, 32 upon 3. So this is the length, this is the breadth, and parameter of any rectangle is, there is a formula for finding it, it is 2 into L plus B. So L is length, B is breadth. Here it is given length is 25 upon 2 plus breadth is 32 upon 3. This we have to take the LCM of 2 and 3, which is 6. Now we can do this. 2 3s are 6, that means 25 into 3 we have to do, which is 75, and 3 2s are 12, that means we have to multiply 32 by 2. So this is 464. Now we can calculate it, we can do the addition. 6, this is 139 by 6. But we can convert it into smallest fraction by dividing 6 by 2. So there will be 3. This is the parameter, but as the length and breadth is given in the mixed fraction, so we have to convert this into mixed fraction, which is 3 4s are 12, 19, that means 6 are 18, 46 is to 1 by 3 centimeter. This is the parameter of the given rectangle. Now we will do the second question. Here the figure is given. We have to find the parameter of a triangle ABC, which is this ABE, and the perimeter of the rectangle BCDE. So A, B and E. The perimeter of the rectangle, we can find it by using the formula that we have to add the lengths, whole side 1 plus side 2 plus side 3. This is the formula to find the perimeter of the rectangle. So we can write it as 5 upon 2 plus 2 is to 3 upon 4 plus 3 is to 3 upon 5. Now we have to convert the improper fraction first into proper ones. Then we will take the LCM. So here 2 is to 3 by 4, that means 11 by 4 plus 3 is to 3 upon 5 means 18 upon 5. Now we have to take the LCM of 2, 4 and 5, which is, of course, 4 5s are 20, which is 20. Now 2 10s are 20, that means 5 we have to multiply it by 10, which is 50. 4 5s are 20, that means 11 into 5 we have to do, which is 55, and 5 4s are 20, that means 18 into 4 we have to do. 18 4s are 32, 3 72. Now we can do the addition, which is 177 upon 20, and we have to convert it into, of course we can convert it into mixed fraction also, which is 2 8 16 117. So this is the perimeter of the triangle A, B and E. Now we have to calculate the perimeter of this rectangle B, C, D and E. 6 by 7 is given one side, second side is 2:3 by 4. Okay, so then perimeter of rectangle we can find in the same way as we have done in the last question. So we can find it, which is 2 into L plus B. This is the formula of finding the perimeter of a rectangle. So here the length is given 7 by 6 or breadth is 2:3 by 4. 2:3 by 4 is, we have to convert it into proper fraction, which is 11 by 4. Then we have to take the LCM of 6 and 4. That means 4 3 12 is the LCM. 6 2s are 10 and 7 2s are 14. 4 3s are 12 and 11 3s are 33. I hope you all know how to find the LCM, because this is the questions of grade 7, and LCM you can do it in the 4th class itself. So I'm not teaching how to get the LCM. You can easily find it out. This is 47 upon 7. Here we can convert it into small fractions. We can divide 12 by 6, 12 by 2. That means 47 by 6, which can be written in the mixed fraction as 7s are 42, 5 6. This is the perimeter of the rectangle. Now there is the question that whose perimeter is greater. So this is 177 by 20, this is 47 by 6. If we want to find out the greater, which is greater, then again we have to take the LCM of 20 and 6. Then only we can compare it. Okay. So here the LCM of, in this way we can find the LCM. 2, 10, 3. I'm just showing it so that you might not get confused in this. And this is the LCM. That means 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. So what is this? This can be found as 5 4s are 20. 20 into 3 is 60. So 60 is the LCM. Okay. Then we have to convert the multiply the 177 into 3. And 3 is 21. 2 177 into 3 is what? Is 21 2 and 21 3. This is 531 and 6 tens are 60, of course. So this is 470. So this is greater. That means perimeter of triangle ABCE is greater than that rectangle, which is B, C, D and E. So in this way we can find it out. I hope you can understand it. Thank you very much.